Michelle from Digital Innovation. I'm going to show you how to use the new and exciting screencasting app on your Chromebooks. The first thing you'll want to do is go over and find the Finder button, look through your apps, and you're looking for something bluish greenish that says Screencast, and here it is. I'm going to click on it. There are a couple of tutorials here if you would like more in-depth instruction, but I'm going to walk you through basically how to use transcript, marker, and sharing tools within it. So it's really easy to get started. I'm going to click New Screencast, and you're going to see a second video of me appear. It's going to be a circle, and that is what the camera view looks like on the Screencast app on the Chromebook. So here we go. All right, and it says click anywhere to record full screen. And again, this circular video, this is what we get with this Screencast app on the Chromebooks. So I'm gonna click here. We get a countdown, 3, 2, 1, so I can get ready. And now I'm recording. You'll see down here at the bottom that I have marker tools, so I can annotate my screen. This would be really helpful for students maybe solving a problem, explaining a process. I could see this being used in lots of different classes. You could also share screencast maybe a text or a website. You could use this for a fluency passage. I'm thinking about students who are maybe nervous about sharing their backpack presentations. They can record those over Google Slides. When you're done, you simply click the stop button, and you're going to see that that screencast is being uploaded. Here's some I've done earlier today. It does take just a few minutes, and it goes directly to your drive. One thing you'll want to note is that you can only share these videos within JCPS. This is one of the things that keeps these videos safe for our students, but it can only be shared within JCPS. So go ahead, open up one of these videos, and this is amazing. You're going to see that you have a transcript over here on the right that is automatically generated. So this is really great for students. Maybe if you're thinking about those kids doing those reading passages, they could check to see how accurately they read. Did the microphone understand them? Or if you're a teacher, if you've gone through modern classrooms, you know the importance of screencasting and keeping those videos under 6 minutes. So maybe you can make instructional videos that have these transcripts built in. Click on these 3 dots over here, and you're going to see that you can edit text. So you could go ahead and change some words. There are some typos or take out an things like that. Click Save. We are excited that translation should be coming soon to the transcript, so that will be really helpful for our multilingual learners in the district. But for now, since you have access to this text, you could copy and paste a translation into that transcript if you were wanting to do that. And the other thing you could do is simply skip the section. Maybe you feel like your video is too long and you want to take off the end, you could skip that. And you can show students that by clicking on the transcript, they can go to different parts of the video. So that is it. That is the new Screencast app, and again, this goes right to Drive, so you can share it right from there. There's a share button at the top. It's really simple to use, so we're excited to see how you and your students will use this exciting new application. We hope you have a great day.